So the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the most exciting foldable phone of 2021. If you own a Galaxy Z Flip 5G from last year, or even the older Z Flip, or you might be thinking about getting maybe the older devices because of cost savings, well, I'm not sure about that. Let me explain. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So a lot of people have been asking the question, should you upgrade from the Galaxy Z Flip 5G or even the older Galaxy Z Flip, or maybe buy an older Galaxy Z Flip because of cost savings? Let me give you my thoughts about this. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I've been having a Galaxy Z Flip 5G since release date back in 2020, and I've enjoyed it to the fullest. It's a beautiful screen device with a nice form factor. The cameras are really nice on here, but the Galaxy Z Flip is missing some features that kept me from using it as a daily driver. Things such as the small unusable outer display, no deck support, which a lot of people don't use, but I use it on a daily basis. So the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 brings in some great updates, such as a new design, a bigger outer display, dual speakers, updated cameras, plus 120 Hz in the display, an IP rating, and a good price point of $999. Now, here is why I would say upgrade to the newer Z Flip 3 versus buying the older Z Flip. It's the price point. I'm seeing the price points for these older devices at about $1,200 new, and $849 on Amazon Renew, and about $640 average in the used market, which is a no-go for an older device. Now I know the Galaxy Z Flip 5G came out at a $1,450 price point, and I know a lot of people that's selling the devices trying to recoup most of the money back, but unfortunately, due to the newer device and all the great updates and the newer features, I just don't see how you could sell that device at a $1,200 price point or even close to the $1,000 price point. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some downfalls of getting the newer Z Flip 3, such as 128 gigs of base storage instead of the 256 gigs with the Z Flip 5G. Also, no charge in the box. I know that's petty, but you know, at least you get a charge in the box with the Z Flip 5G, but you don't get it with the Z Flip 3. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an overall better phone at a cheaper price. If you are on the fence getting the Z Flip 3, or you may be thinking about buying an older Z Flip, don't do it. And that's just my opinion here. Overall, I think the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a better phone. You get a better design, you get IP rating, you get dual speakers, you get a whole lot of things that's upgrade here with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 versus the Galaxy Z Flip 5G or even the older models. So in my humble opinion, I would tell you to, think about getting the Z Flip 3 versus the Z Flip 5G, which is the older models. But overall, I believe, and a lot of people have been asking me the question, should you upgrade? And I'm gonna tell you right now, if you have an opportunity to trade in your old Z Flip 5G, or if you're on the fence of buying a brand new Z Flip 3 at the price point, I tell you, that is the way to go. Just my humble opinion. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 5G in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.